Block 71 takes its name from its birthplace, the Block 71 building within the Ayer Rajah Industrial Estate in Singapore. It is there that NUS Enterprise, along with Singtel Innovate and the then Media Development Authority of Singapore, came together to avert its impending demolition through seizing the opportunity to establish a home and community for budding entrepreneurs. The success of the Block 71 initiative was further fueled by support from government agencies like Spring, and JTC's speed to retrofit and rebuild nearby buildings to develop this entrepreneurial enclave into JTC Launchpad.
I think Block 71 is an important part of our growth story. Firstly, because it's a place that we can call home. It also allowed us to grow internationally. We are now in Block 71 in San Francisco.
Well, Block 71 Jakarta was such a great, easy way for me to land into Indonesia. Coming into Indonesia felt like, everything was so overwhelming, but it was so comforting to know that there was a Block 71 in Jakarta.
Block 71 is an initiative by NUS Enterprise in collaborative and strategic partnerships with established corporations and government agencies. In every location, Block 71 embodies the spirit of entrepreneurship, collaboration, and partnership by bringing the research capabilities and technologies of the university together with the investment and business acumen of our partners to support the entrepreneurial journeys within the local geography and beyond.